It has been quite a mind-blowing experience because I think as actors we tend to intellectualize everything. I know I intellectualize a lot, and to find a technique that literally stops me thinking and stops me just always being in my head and essentially getting out of my own way and allowing myself to be in the moment and immerse myself in that moment and just say the first thing that comes to my head of what I see, of being far more observant and just present. I think it's hard. It's very, very hard to do, but it's the best technique that I've found to keep me emotionally present and aware in a scene, which is it's exciting and terrifying. And I just am so glad that I had the opportunity to do it. And Penny is brilliant. And I think that it all depends on your teacher. And she has been so inspiring for all of us and immersed herself in the process with us. Essentially, we've left as a family, which is, we came in as complete strangers and we've been able to be vulnerable and honest and grow with each other, and we're leaving as family. So it's been an incredible experience.